guys, this is just a small asset I have done using my game controller. Okay, the first is for switching applications. The one is used for press 1. The one is used to turn on Revit architecture, and the 2 is used to turn on Google Chrome, and the 3 is used to turn on the whiteboard or screen sketch, whatever is open. In Revit architecture, we are having the elevation can be mapped right into here. So turning this up will open north elevation, turning this right will go for east, south, and goes for west. So that's the case, and now you can switch between the tab by using this button here. This goes for tab, next tab, and this goes for previous tab. To turn on 3D view, I will go for this button here, and that will turn on the 3D view. And if you like to mute your microphone, I can press a button here, so that will eventually turn up Google Meet, and that will just show a message. Just a minute, I'll come now, and that will automatically mute your microphone. Then finally, if you ever try to put yes here, that will unmute the microphone and take you back into Revit architecture. If I hit yes, that will obviously unmute the microphone, and that will pick you back right into Revit architecture. You can see that the microphone has been unmuted.